Hello everyone, I am going to start a video series on MySQL. First, we are going to see about introduction to MySQL. MySQL is one of the most popular open source relational database management system in the world. Developed and maintained by Oracle Corporation, MySQL is known for its reliability, performance, and ease of use. It's widely used in web development, powering main dynamic website and application. Here is a detailed explanation of key aspects of MySQL. Relational Database Management System (RDBMS). MySQL is categorized as an RDBMS, which means it's built on a principle of relational database management. This includes storing data in tables organized in rows and columns, enforcing data integrity with constraints, and performing operation through structured query language (SQL). Now, what is open source nature? MySQL is an open source project, meaning its open source is freely available to anyone. This has contributed to its widespread adoption and development by a large community of contributors worldwide. The open source nature also means that MySQL is cost effective for business of all sizes. Features: MySQL offers a rich set of features for database management, including supporting for multiple storage engines. Example: InnoDB, MyISAM offering different features and performing characteristics. ACID atomicity, consistency, isolation, durability, compliance, ensuring data integrity and transactional support. Replication and clustering capabilities for high availability and scalability. Next, security features such as access control, encryption, and adapting compatibility with various operation systems and programming languages. Use cases of MySQL. MySQL is widely used in various industries and applications, includes web application, e-commerce, analytics, mobile apps. MySQL has a vibrant community of developers, database administrators, and enthusiasts who contribute to its development, support, and documentation. There are numerous resources available online, including forums, tutorials, and user groups, making it easy to find out help and support for MySQL related issues. MySQL is designed to be scalable and performant, capable of handling high volumes of transactions and concurrent users. It supports various optimization techniques such as indexing, query caching, and partitioning to improve performance. This is the introduction to MySQL. Thank you.